Suchi from Ideas Kitchen. We are at Mrs Aggarwal's house today. We can start from here. There is a peninsula for them with a steel leg, stainless steel. Then deep drawers. There is a S-trouser. Three drawers with cutlery tray. Again deep drawers, and one more cutlery tray for guests and all. There is a thin drawers, deep drawer, bottle pull out, magic corner, rolling shutter for appliances, pantry unit with drawers, shutter with glass shelf, drain trolley, appliance unit, inbuilt refrigerator. They take washing area different from the kitchen just because washing area is like wet area and they don't want gande bartan for their kitchen. Crockery unit for display, normal shutter, bottle pull out for wedges,